Hello! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Hey! And what is this about?
So, hello everyone. This is Florina Xavier, and I will be co-teaching the course with.
Hey, I am Ashok Xavier, and I and Florina will teach Theatre for Transformation. And Theatre for Transformation is about transforming ourselves. And it's a personal transformation in relation to social transformation. And this course is based on the theoretical and practical frameworks of Ivan Illich, Augusto Boal, Badal Sarkar, Jonathan Fox, and a whole lot of others who have trained us personally in the wisdom of theater to bring about a personal transformation which will affect social transformation.
But you're talking about this like a very serious course. Is it not going to be fun?
It is a fun course, actually, if you really want to unleash that energy. And if you really think that you have that little bit of funny bone in you, that dance bone in you, and if you think you can actually come out and tell us a story.
Yeah, and that's all we want. We just want stories. We want you to be part of this, to engage, to communicate, to enjoy yourselves, basically. So this course is to help us to come together, to make us better persons to know ourselves, but also to work with the community.
Yes, and anybody can take this course, especially if you are a community worker, if you are an academician, if you are a person who has a lot of free time and wants to learn some skills. This course is for you. And if you want to work for peace building and personal transformation, which will affect social transformation, you should definitely take it.
And even if you're not working, if you're not doing anything, but just a time for self-discovery, self-reflection, this is a course for you. Come and be part of it, learn with the others, enjoy yourself, have fun. And while you're doing all of this, understand yourself and explore yourself. So anybody who wants to do this course can take up this opportunity.
Now, we are going to give you a set of tools. And these tools you can carry in your bag. And whenever you want to use it, you can use it. And the skills are interactive improv skills, theater skills, games, storytelling skills, ultimately a whole bunch of communication skills which will help you interact with groups, with communities, as well as individuals. And these skills are relationship building skills.
I'm sure that with these skills, you'll be able to reach out to any kind of community that you're working in. Our experience comes from working in different war areas with children who are traumatized, with women, with families that are traumatized. So you'll be able to take these skills and work with different kinds of communities. And we are here in SPI after how many years, Ashok?
18 years to be precise.
18 years, yeah. We were here as students, 2004 SPI. And we enjoyed it. We enjoyed the energy that SPI brings, the content, the knowledge that the courses bring, the sharing, the learning that we have from being part of this course. And we enjoyed every bit of being in SPI. And that's why we are here to teach. We've always wanted to come back to SPI and teach and share this opportunity. And this year, Ashok and me are here in the US. Ashok, you want to talk about why you are here?
Well, we are here right now to give back to what we have received. And here, we bring a set of new tricks that we want to share with you. And that's why we wanted SPI. And SPI, we know, is a huge fruit salad where people come from different directions and want to remain with the same identity, but all put together, they are united in learning as peace builders. And that's why we want to teach in SPI.
Yeah, and you know that SPI is a super place to inspire, right? So be here. And we will all see you at our course.
Yes.
Take care and see you soon.
Okay, we are ready to meet you very soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.